Okay, hello and welcome to this channel. My name is Peju, and I'm here to talk about the various opportunities you can get as a content creation. I think it would be best I share my personal story, my personal experience, and we label the various opportunities you get along the way. So, as a content creator, I've had the opportunity and privilege to be a creative writer. Who is a creative writer? Creative writer is one who focuses on literary writings like your poetry, your play, and your novel. So, over the years, I've had opportunities to release poems and send out short spoken words, and even for many others. So you can look at these and decide to focus on the opportunity. Another opportunity you can focus on is content writing. So content writing is the act of writing content, articles, website content, and even companies collaterals. So this content would are used to like maybe sell a product or like talk more about a business or an organization. Yes. Also, this should not be mistaken for copywriting. Copywriting is usually to sell copies and advert copies, and that you can find in the advertising industry. Now, apart from being a content writer, a copywriter, a creative writer, you can also be an academic and research writer. Now, academic and research writing is when you focused on treating a particular topic and trying to on an educational aspect of writing. Yes, so you're treating a particular topic or simple or proposal, and you're focusing on the benefits, the educational aspects. You're focusing on how this relates to the academics. So yes, you can do this. These are people that actually do proposal writing and for research purpose, like I mentioned. So yes, and also you have business writing or proposal writing. So you're writing for the sake of grants, business grants, writing business proposals, and also writing to ensure that your business gets the right attention that it needs. Okay, I think I also forgot to mention that of script writing. So script writing is when you write scripts for TV houses, for radio houses, and even for the sake of like a production. So in the radio house, you have script writers that they write scripts for programs, radio programs, and even jingles and so on. Okay, what else did I forget to mention in my line of journey? Okay, then also ghostwriting. So ghostwriting deals with all of these other aspects mentioned, and so when you write or you write for someone else, yet the other person gets the credit, you get paid for the writing. Thank you.